Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Steve, Timothy User, Knock, Sue, Cool Clips, Curtis McDaniels, Kishan, Huro, Bro, David, Tiki Taki, Brandon, Well, Michelle, Dennis, Sarah Hamady. Welcome. Good morning. How are you? Good Thursday morning. Good Thursday freezing morning. How's everybody doing this morning? Staying warm, I hope. It's freezing cold where I'm at. Freezing my balls off is what they say. Do Jerry, James, Scoot, Tony, Lawson, Patricia, Tom, Plain James, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Carson. Good Thursday morning. It is 12/12/24. Add those two up. 12 plus 12 is 24. Only happens once in your life. Let's make today special. Do, do, do. Good morning. Welcome in. Trusty Trand, welcome back. Big Frosty. Good morning, canned spam user. How are you today? Rough day in the market so far. A lot of choppy action here. Took a loss on open last night. NQ early took a loss as well. Not starting off too good, but we're here. We're not going to go on tilt. Bakash, Burberry, Kiddo, Cesar Romero, Francis, Miguel, Jimmy Richardson. Hello, hello. What do you know? Just got to hang in there. Been a real choppy market mess this morning. Ups and down, up and down, all within a big range. And then it had a big 80-point move up. And now it's just back into this choppy mess. So I'm hanging in there, Caesar. Thank you. Trying to remain calm. Just going to remain calm here the rest of the day. Took a couple of losses, Been a tough day to trade here so far, so not good. Leonard, Tommy, Rohan, Iceman, Anne Marie, Blake Davis. That's what she said. David, Absolute Power hooked up. The break even trader. Steven, welcome in. Good morning. Market's ripping up here. What is going on with this thing? Yep. Pulled back and then ripped it up. It's been a tough market this morning. Tough market. Mitch, Honeycutt, Aubrey, Peyton, Go DJ, Matthew Harrell, welcome in. How's everybody doing? Good morning, good morning. Thank you for being here. Alex, Kishan, My Princess, Triple X, Dancing Puppy, Prob, welcome in, Roy Boy, Top Driggs. Some days you'll have these type of days, man. Choppy trading mess. Choppy trading zones, ranges, consolidation, and it just, you get messed up. Marvin Dukes, thank you for the lightning bolt. I appreciate you. Cesar Romero, welcome in. Glitter Flight, hello, hello. Grimble, Ninja. Can you explain the contract rollover on Ninja? Yeah, it just does it automatically. Like every 3 months, it'll update the contracts. Yeah, pretty much. Or you can go super small and try and get your little piece of the pie. That's about all I can tell you. What do you do on your end? It'll pop up a message. If you're talking about the rollover, it'll pop up a message when you open NinjaTrader back up and you just click yes, accept, I want to roll over the contracts. Yeah, exactly. You got to stick with micros on the NQ till you have 10, 20,000 built up in your account. Then you might be able to size up. But if you could go with 100 to 200 a day goal and just be done, you'll be all right. Right now, we're just getting destroyed. I mean, yeah, this technically, it's probably still in a downtrend. I don't know. It's just a crazy, crazy market this morning. Big moves, big wicks, consolidation, and big wicks. I'd like to see a big push up here to 21,750. No, you don't lose anything when you roll over the contracts. It just updates because that's what the market's moving to trading. Like the December contract, what we're trading now, obviously it ends in December, so you want to move on to the March one when it starts in March. But it starts this next week, I think. Thank you guys for being here. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm on the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. I would like to participate in the giveaway. What should I do? I already follow you on TikTok. Okay. Follow me on everything else if you can. Otherwise, shoot me a message. I already got you on the list, though. I got you on the list. Just follow me on TikTok, X, YouTube. Send me a message. Back to pretty much entry on this visual long here. Santa's in a long too, though, right around the same price. So maybe that's a good sign that we are going to go up here. I could use it. I could use a 100-point run up here. 100-point push up here would be real nice. Not good so far, Mike. Not good. Trying to recover, but I already locked myself out of my cash account. Hit my daily stop loss on that. Hit my daily stop loss on my Top Step account. And I'm trying to bring back my other ones from the depths of hell. I need this to run up to like 21,750 in a hurry. Just all in one trade. One big candle. Just shoot it up there. That'd be nice. Santa's in along. NQ Visual's in along. So am I manually. I'm in along. I need this to push up. I'm way down today. 200 or 300 on some accounts. Close to 1,000 on the other ones. 600 on one. Got eaten alive by a couple of the algos, but it's all right. I took 2-3 bad manual trades as well. So that's the game of trading. That's the life of trading. You got to take the wins and the losses and just roll with the punches and hope you have more wins than losses. But all right, I'm down 432. Yeah, it's a tough day today. Tough day. Lucky I'm on sim. Yeah, it's a good thing you're still on sim today. We're trying to battle back. Just got to wait for the perfect setup. Down 123. Yeah, today's just one of those tough days. I mean, it looked like it was going to be moving down, but then it just kept wicking and chopping nasty chops in the 15-minute candles. Big wicks. Small bodies, big wicks. That's never good. That means the market's super choppy and consolidating. And then it had that big move down. It looked like it was going to move down, but then the very next candle ran up 80 points on one candle, and that wiped out all the shorts. I got hit on that as well. I'm sure a lot of you did, but it's a tough game sometimes. That's why you got to go small, stick with micros, just try and get 100 to 200 a day. Yeah, kind of just sit back until you can find the rhythm of the market when it's more of a smooth market instead of a choppy market. Just sit back, wait for a better spot, a better trade, and let it come to you. Getting in your head and FOMO and rage and revenge trading will just blow your accounts. So go take a walk. Go do some exercises, clean the house, come back, do something. Might not even be today. Yeah, yesterday was good. Today, not so good so far. I don't think I blew any accounts at least. That's a good thing, is I didn't blow any accounts. Bad thing is I did get stopped out and locked out of a couple of them. But, there's always tomorrow, right? We shall see what happens here. NQ could be up on the... It's got to break above... Way above here. I shouldn't even be entertaining the thought of a long where it's at, so I'm just going to sit back. It's in the nasty chop zone still for what I have. But yeah, a lot of big wicks, a lot of sideways movement, a lot of fake outs, a lot of sweeps of liquidity in one way or another. Been a rough morning. Down. Everybody's down today. Yeah, I'm sorry. Down 400 today, was down 15. Okay, well, Chad, you at least got some of it back, which is good. Now, don't get greedy and try and get it all back. Just let it come to you. Be slow. Pick your trades wisely. Make sure all your indicators and levels line up with you taking the proper trade. Look for the rhythm and the motion and the pattern of the market. Right now we don't know if this is a true reversal yet or if this is just a big nasty pullback. So be careful. Yeah, and sometimes that happens. Your setups will be spot on, and then it just, the market goes against you. It happens to the best of them. Hey, good morning, Shane. I'm glad to see you're freezing your balls off down there, too. Not even mad at it. Is Santa at least doing good? Santa is down $600 right now. So he's taken basically 3 losses. And he's had a couple of wins, but now I show him down at around 600. Yeah, just got out of that trade. It's cold across all of America. If you look at like the global temperature map, I don't think there's anywhere in America right now that it's above 70 degrees. Or 60 degrees for that matter. Shit. It's 23 here, and that's the high. I think it's snowing and it feels like 17. One of those days for sure, yep. So the good thing is I didn't bust, I don't think, any of my accounts. I'm looking at them now. I did get locked out of my Top Step, but it's okay because it's an eval combine. But my take profit, I didn't get locked out of it, but I am down quite a bit on it. So I need to be real careful on that because that just became a pro account the other day. And I got a new Top Step account that I'm trying to pass a combine on. But they stop you out at a soft stop of $1,000. So I'm locked out of that one, which is fine. I didn't blow the eval, but it still sucks. And then I'm down like 300 on all my Apex and Tradeify accounts. A cash account sucks. So what's your win ratio? I'm at 59 trades, 91% wins. For manual trading or for the algorithms? I don't know. I haven't even looked. Texas definitely is cold. Yeah, for sure. Everywhere is cold. Let me pull up. That's a good question though. Let me pull up my trade performance on my manuals and see what it is. It's probably not worth looking at because I'm probably gonna be pissed at myself. Oh, there it is. All right, let's put that on there. Let's put from 18th of November until today. Um, 68% win rate. That's all I'm at. So not good. More not good. Manually traded back to 200 plus. Hey, I lost my signal for a minute. Did you answer my question about recommendation for a funded account? Oh, sorry, Nate. I must not have saw it, but Tradeify is probably the best one to get straight to funded. I like Tradeify a lot. They reset everybody's account within hours a couple of weeks ago when they had the data disconnect. They're a little expensive right now. You might want to wait and see if they go on a Christmas sale special. But you can go straight to funded with Tradeify, so I highly recommend them. You can follow my link in my link tree in my TikTok profile and help me out a little bit if you're thinking about getting one of those. I mean, look at these wicks. These are just big wick candles here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hey, my name is Kyle. This is The Swag Show. What do you know? I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading. Please keep tapping the screen, if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. That's all I ask for. Just some taps on the screen, a little bit of love, showing TikTok algorithm that there's somebody on here that you enjoy watching. Maybe they'll send some more viewers my way. If you're over on YouTube, make sure you click the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe and tell a friend. We got Santa in a short, visual long in a long, visual short in a short. Everything else getting chopped the hell up. I stopped out silver when I was profitable. I took profit on silver, but not much. I don't even know where it's at now. Should I dare look? Yeah, it's way down. It's way green now. Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? Because I stopped out of it. What is this? Order rejected. What am I in here? No, I just must have got in something. What am I in? Later? NQ later? All right, we're in NQ later. We need this to rocket to the moon. We need it to go to 21,750. For all those in NQ later, fasten your seatbelts. Hold on. Good luck. Let's push this baby up to the moon here. Keep tapping that screen. We need it. We need the win here on NQ later for sure. You got to keep pushing. You got to keep tapping the screen. Make NQ go up here. We need it to go to 21,750. What about ES new? That's a no today. You shouldn't even be running it. Unless they changed it and didn't tell me. Yep, she did. She changed it and didn't tell me. It used to be no Thursday, Friday. So I still have it on my chart Tuesday, Wednesday only, but yeah, good luck on ES new if you're in ES new, I guess. Yeah, which is in a short, which sucks because we want NQ to go long. Sorry, T. Oh, man. Need NQ to push up here real big. No problem, Nate. Any, what's Bookmap looking like, Shane? Are we going up here? Are we going to continue to push up? Are we safe to let NQ later run? We need a big run up here on NQ. Let's hopefully the buyers step in here and keep pushing this thing up. Been like a busy long short battle all morning. Yeah. Let's go. Let's push it up, please. Let's run it all the way up here. Run it on up. It just touched the bottom of 740, it looks like. Come on, push it on up, baby. Nothing stopping you now. Just keep running it up. Just keep running it up here, baby. You can do it. Push on up to the 750. Go ahead. Shake what your mama gave you. Keep tapping that screen, guys. Help that NQ get on up. Get on up. Keep pushing on up. You can do it. I have faith in you. Push up. Get above them 740s. Get above them 750s. That's what we need. We need to keep pushing up above. Well, yes, you can do it. You can do it. Just push up, 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 up. What's in a trade right now on the screen? NQ Visual Long. It's one of the premium strategy algorithms. We want it to run all the way up here to 21,750. Push on up. You can do it. Push on up. What else is in a trade to show you? Anything? Just visual long here. Visual shorts in a trade, visual longs in a trade. ES range new, NQ later. I took profit on NQ later. Got to get out of it while I can. So far down today, it ain't even funny. Gotta battle over these 30s here. Gotta get up and over the 30s. Let's see. Need a big push up here for the Christmas cheer. Every time of the year, just push on up. Thank you guys for being here, tuning in. Thomas John, Brain, welcome in. Should it be just a little pullback? Yes, that's what it looks like, but it needs to grow some sacks and rain on up. Run it on up. Run it on up. Run it on up here. YOLO. Let's just run it on up here. Big move up here. Come on. We can do it. Push on up. Let's just push it on up. All you got to do is tap that screen and make it go up. Help me, help you, help others. Keep pushing. Keep tapping. Thomas John, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. Doing a giveaway, guys. If you didn't know, 2 lucky winners will receive 1 free month of the standard algorithms on December 23rd, just a few days before Christmas. If you want to get entered into the drawing, all you have to do is follow me on TikTok, X, YouTube, shoot me a message, DM me, let me know you want to get entered into the drawing for the giveaway. That's not what we want to see. We do not want to see it come all the way back down here. Just sweeping these longs. It's just crazy how it works some days it's just crazy how it works. The other days it's easy. It's just smooth moves, X-lax, you know. Other days it's just wicky choppy constipation. It makes you want to poop yourself. Even though you can't poop because you're constipated. You understand? Some days just easy beasy. Other days hard as a rock. I'm also on an Algo trader. I create crypto bots and trading view. How does BoldBot work? So this is on NinjaTrader. It's just settings in each algo that are hard set. We can change them when we want to based on what the market's doing. But it's pretty much a hard set algorithm. We have about 8 of them and about 40 different strategies inside those 8 algorithms. So Hey, there he is, Thomas John. Welcome in. We need this NQ to push on up here. Quit teasing us. It's being a little cock tease like at a strip club. Need it to go on up. Volumes showing at that. Come on now. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you teasing me? It's just teasing me. Cool Clips, welcome back. What time is it? 11:15. So Doji, that's not good. Stay above and keep rising. Stay above here and keep going up. Stay above here and keep going up. We don't want you to turn around. We want you to go up. 11:15. It's always 11:15 when I fucking take it long and it just goes the opposite direction. You think I would pay attention and notice that by now, right? Oh, Santa in a short. We don't care. We need it to go long. On NinjaTrader. Yeah, no, I know you meant on TradingView. Yeah. All right, we're almost back to entry. If it can get up above there, that'd be great. Fuck out of the way. All right, visual long. Come on, do your thing. Show me what you're working with here. I needed like a $600 trade right here. Run it up. $600. Let's go. 21,750. You can do it. Push. Got your pullback you wanted. Now go up. Got to get above 735. Come on. Where's everybody at? Push, push, push. Everybody buy, buy, buy. Push, push, push. Get it on up. Push it on up here. Come on. You can do it. Push it on up here. Come on. You can do it. Push it on up for the one time for the swag show people. We got to get a $600 trade right here. Come on. Keep going. Push it up. Don't stop now. Everybody, buy, buy, push, push. Keep pushing. Tap the screen. We need a long, keep going. All the way up to 21,750 would be lovely. You're not doing it for me. You're not doing it. Go up. Keep pushing it up. Let's go, people. What are you trading? NQ? Trading my mind going insane. Trying to stop it from going insane. Raka raka. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Welcome to the Swag Nation Army. This is NQ on the futures market. This is what will drive you insane if you don't stop when you're supposed to. And you have FOMO, and you revenge trade, and you overtrade, and you don't look for the perfect setup, or the algorithms take a couple of losses, and then you want to just stop altogether. But you got to trust in the process, not the profits. As long as you feel like you're making good entry points in trades, stick with it. As long as they're winning more than they're losing, you'll be okay. There are going to be losing days. They hurt. I know. I've been there. I've done that. I'm there right now. But sometimes you could take a trade and get out of it. Some days you get to make most of it back as long as you're patient and you sit back and relax, watch as it melts from wax. You know what I mean? Just chill out for a minute. Still down. Needed to push up here. Big push up would be lovely. All the way up to 750, 21,750 would be nice. Don't come back down. Go up. Everybody push. Keep tapping the screen. Let's go. Push it up. All right. Stopped out on my manual for 170 bucks. Back to where we were pretty much before. It's so frustrating sometimes, guys. You just gotta, when you get frustrated like this, you just gotta stop. NQ later. Yeah, I already took profit on you. Yes, new. What are you looking like? That's not good. Good thing I'm not in that. I'd shoot myself. Silver Oracle, of course, probably dumped. Yeah, it was doing great. Should have held on that longer, but you got to take your profits as they come. Can't be greedy. Visual shorts in a short. Santa's in a short. We got NQ visual long. Here's Santa. $50 to $200 a day. Yeah, that's great. If you can make $50 to $200 a day, you're doing fine. You know, if you have multiple accounts, that's good money. But, you know, today is just one of those days where I might have to take a red day and take a loss. Come back tomorrow, look for better spots, and do it all over again. Like I said, as long as you have more winners than losers, you should be okay. But it looks like it's losing steam here on NQ. So, might be headed back down. You're up 167 on micros. Good job, man. And that's what it means. You don't have to trade minis to make money. You could trade micros and still make decent money. 100 to 200 a day is really good money, you know. 100 a day is 2,000 a month. So if you have multiple accounts, you can add that up. Waiting for London close, yeah. 8 minutes. We'll see what happens. Looks like it kind of, that wick might have broke the structure on the 15 minutes, so it could be a reversal uptrend here. We are making higher highs and higher lows, so we'll see if this 21,700 can hold us above that. Maybe this afternoon we'll go back up here. 130 now on this Santa short. I'm freezing. I'm about to put a sweatshirt on. Maybe a blanket. Now you can't see me because I got a blanket on. Or maybe you can. Alright. Got my blanket on. We're going to warm up now. We're going to start making some money. We can do it, folks. You got to believe. You got to trust in the process. Florin, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. The more people that come in, the more people can join the BoldBot family, and we can help make a little bit of extra money. Does it suck when the algorithms take a loss? Yes. Is it part of trading? Yes. But in the long run, over the long game, they are profitable. Month over month, they are profitable. You just have to be able to take the losses with the wins. Lassie Gideon, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Welcome to the Swag Nation Army. It's freezing cold where I'm at, and I think everybody else agrees. Wherever you're at, it's probably cold as well if you're in America. Today is just a freezing cold day across America. Even in Miami, it's like only 58, 60 degrees. Right? Remember, folks, I'm doing a giveaway to 2 lucky winners. That's right, 2 lucky winners will receive 1 free month of the standard algorithms. If you want to get entered into that drawing, all you have to do is follow me on TikTok, X, YouTube, shoot me a message. Let me know you want to be added to the list, and you will be entered into the giveaway happening on December 23rd at noon, live on air. So just let me know. Sorko, you in a short? I'm assuming Sorko's in a short here. Dat fam, welcome in. 692 would be a completion of like a 3-bar reversal on the 15 minutes, so it could pull back to there or the 700 level and then continue up. So finally back up to 68 here, so the ice is beginning to melt. Shut up, Shane. You're walking around in a bathing suit in 68 degrees. I wish it was 68 degrees here. It's literally 17 outside right now. And it was 17 and snowing. I don't know what it is now, but too damn cold. That's why I'm in a blanket. And I refuse to turn my heat on. Because I'm a cheap bastard. All right. Can we be okay with a $300 loss on the day for most of the accounts? Take profit, it's a little more than that because I had it on full mini on open and early, so that sucked. Cash account sucks. Johns, welcome to the Swagoners Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Okay, 2 minutes until London closes. We'll see what happens after that. 2 minutes until London close. We'll see if we continue this choppiness until then. You can see how sideways it is. Santa usually moves really quick one way or another, but if Santa's moving slow sideways, you know it's really consolidating. Visual short is the only other thing in a trade, but we want the want to see if it's going to pull back here and then continue up. 49 degrees here, 81 in Rio de Janeiro, where I need to be. Yeah, for sure. Except for the malaria. And is it humid down there? I wonder if, I mean, you'd think with the Amazon rainforest it'd be really humid down there, but it definitely sounds nicer than 17 here, that's for sure. All right, London's closed, so we'll see what happens. I just want to get back to like even on the day and I'd be happy. But you know, when you try and chase your losses, you usually end up losing more. So this could be a pencil top on the 15-minute. Pencil top, mini head and shoulders type structure. So it might move back down. Sorko might be in a short and he might be have the right idea here. $200 even on Santa short here. He's still down 400 on the day though. I don't want to think about Christmas right now. Alright, Santa got stopped up. See if NQ Visual Long gets in a trade here. Big Bang's not in a trade. You can go away. Santa, we'll just move him over and see if he gets in a trade here. It is 11:30, so who knows? Are we going to go into Consolidation City for the next hour? After this crazy morning wiki, lots of movement, lots of candlesticks, wicks on the candlesticks, I should say. And then a couple of really big candlesticks. We had like an 80-point move back up from that 21,630 level all the way up to 21,720. So we'll see if we just kind of go into a holding pattern here or what's going to happen, or if this is going to continue in a downtrend. So all we really need to do is update the chart for rollover, right? No, so when you shut it down, Mar, when you shut Ninja down, when it is ready to update or roll over to the next contract, it'll pop up a message when you log in, and then you just hit yes, I want to roll over the contracts. But if it doesn't do that, then yeah, next week or whenever they do the rollover, you will have to manually update them if it doesn't automatically do it for you. The bull flag. Is that a bull flag on like the 1 minute? What about on the 5 minute? Is that kind of like a bull flag? This might be a buy here. What do you think, Shane? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Or am I just seeing stuff? Yeah, they'll automatically update once you see the message pop up. Gridlocks in a short. Well, so much for seeing what I'm seeing. I thought I saw a bull flag on the 5 minute and the 1 minute. And I was going to go long here, especially at the bottom of this range. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not doing it. I'm just saying I was thinking about it. Santa's in a short. Gridlock's in a short. What prop firm do you trade with? Just about all of them. I've got Apex, Top Step, Tradeify, Take Profit. 4 of them, so those 4. Just those 4 prop firms right now. Trying to get back into a green day. There's that 21,700 level though. Like I said, if it can hold above that, it's still an uptrend. Yep, see, it should have took the long there, like I said, from 700. Sometimes you second guess yourself. Windsor Brokers, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Well, let's look at Santa while he's at least in a trade, give you something to look at. John Kajushia, something like that. Welcome in. Thank you for being here. Remember, guys, this is BoldBot. This is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern, showing you live futures market trading. If you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. $500 for the first month of the standard algorithms, $1,000 a month after that. We have a digital mentorship on sale right now for $1,000 that'll teach you how to manually trade. And you can also get the manual alerts, or we have standard and premium of those as well. So let us know if you're interested in any of that. Still showing a down pattern here. I don't like the long yet. Let me look at this. Yeah, I do like it. I do like this because it's held here twice, 3 times, 4 times. Let's see if it held. See if it holds here at 695-ish. I know it doesn't seem like the right play, but almost to that 692 that Soroko wanted, but we're going to put a buy in here and see what happens. Gridlock green 60 with 2 micros. Yeah, it just got out up 311. There you go. There's your 692 level. So that means that should be the bottom of it, right? Hopefully. And it goes back up now. Hopefully that's the bottom of it, right? And it goes back up. That's what we're counting on. Big run up here would be really nice. if it can just run on up. Run on up and buy back all this sell-off. Got a little back. In a buy now, bounced off the 200. On what it's got to hold above 700, right? Let's see, it's 11:45, new candle on the 15-minute chart, and it opens red and it's moving back down. So I don't know how far down this is going to pull back. I'm thinking should be the bottom of the pullback, though. But it looks like there's a lot of red volume on my volume indicator, so I don't know. I'm really scared to take a long here. NQ Visual Short's actually in an $800, $900 short. So if you would have stuck with the NQ Visual Short, you're up a lot of money. Yeah. I had a feeling it could be a pencil pattern on the 15-minute. I don't know if you understand what I mean by that, but let me show you what I'm looking at. On a 15-minute chart, when it has big, long run-up and then kind of makes a tip, a point, it usually reverses and it makes a pencil pattern, like a tip of a pen, or kind of like a head and shoulders in another version. But long pull up, little pull back, tip of the pencil up here, and then it's going to pull all the way back down. That's just sometimes what I've seen. Not that it's going to do it this time, but you never know. That's just from watching the market for years. I've noticed when it does that pencil tip pattern, it usually sells it off. And that's what it looks like it's doing right now. Just didn't know because there was a lot of support there from earlier, but it just broke right through that, and now it's into this fair value gap from earlier. We'll see if it can bounce on the PP maybe. Could pull all the way back here to the PP of around 21,660. Has to break through the 670 area first, but let's see, visual short. Okay, let's show you here at least visual short where it got in at. So visual short got in way up there at 21,730 on the short, and that worked out for people in visual short, that's for sure. $1,000 all the way up here at the top of this pencil is when it got short, and it worked out well for people that held on to this visual short trade. That's where I got chopped up at earlier. I really don't want to get back into trading here. This is the area I got chopped in earlier. I really don't want to get back into getting chopped up, but this could, like I said, just be a pullback there. And boy, look at that bounce. It went from 21,673. Now it's all the way up to, that's a 20-point bounce right there. Are they just sweeping the shorts? Santa's in a $200 long. Santa caught it. I didn't catch it. Some days be like that. Yeah. Good days, bad days. You got to roll with the punches and not get FOMO'd. What I want to do, just move over. Tomorrow's Friday. We got Yes Night, NQ London, Yes Night, PPV, Yes London waves, Yes afternoon waves. Alright, so that's good. What about you guys? Choppy mess, like I said, back in this area where it was earlier. We'll see if that was just a pullback and it continues to go up here. It is above a lot of things that could show that it is going to continue up, but where's visual long at now? Visual long. Right into that choppy mess again. I am not going to trade in this choppy mess that we were in earlier today, where I got beat up. I got beat up and bullied and black-eyed and got whooped. Got my butt whooped in this area earlier, so it's at the top of that range, basically. It's at the top of that choppy mess that it was in earlier, so I don't know. I don't like it. Not gonna do it. Not gonna take a trade in this choppy mess. It's just the area that it got beat up in earlier, so I'm not gonna mess with it again. I already learned my lesson once and got beat up in there, so we're not gonna go back and try and fight in that ring again. We'll wait for an easier contender. This area is just not where I want to be at, so. Thank you guys for being here. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly Bean. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? Thank you for tuning in. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm on the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Back to the choppy mess area that I got my butt whooped in earlier. I'm not going to be taking a trade for myself around this area. I learned my lesson once. I only need to get my butt whooped once to know not to step back into the ring with the champ. So it hurts to take a loss, but if that's what you got to do to survive, some days you just got to take that loss to survive. Oh, it is 11:55. Got about a half an hour left in the show for today. What's tomorrow? Friday. I will be back tomorrow, so come check us out then, but I'll stick around for another half an hour. We'll see if we get any big runs on anything. Just right back into this choppy mess from earlier, though, so probably going to consolidate here until after lunch. You never know. Some days lunchtime is real slow and sideways. Other days they move it. So you never know. We'll see here shortly. All right. That didn't work out for visual long there. Trin Win. Welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. 12 o'clock candle. We'll see if it can bounce on the PP or it's going to respect this 21,672 level here. How far down will it go? Nobody knows. Pencil shape formation almost would have been complete if it continues down, but it looks like it's respecting that level and going to go back up. Who knows? That's the mystery of the market, right? Only the millionaires and billionaires with millions of contracts can move the market, not us. We just have to get lucky, use what we've learned to try and capture our little piece of the pie, little crumbs off the cookie. Gridlock still short here. Yep, gridlock still short. It caught that. Should have got in with gridlock. $670 on gridlock. 105 on visual short here. There's our 12 o'clock announcement from TikTok that it's detected inactivity, which is just absurd, but whatever. There's your stupid little puzzle solved. Lonji Yamashita, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. I hope I said that name correctly. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Welcome in. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm on the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. That took a lot out of me. $1,000 for the digital mentorship. It's on sale. $500 right now for the standard algorithms for the first month. $1,000 a month after that. Thank you for the heart. I appreciate you. Long Yi. Yamashita. I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. We'll see if we can now push back up. If that was the pullback that it wanted. All right. Nothing quite in a trade right now that I could show you, except for gridlock, I guess. I can try and... But gridlock's probably going to get stopped out here soon. So this is gridlock. It's one of the newer premium algorithms. It's in a short, has been from 21,711. NQ later still in the... No. I took profit on that, right? Yeah. NQ early? No. ES? No. Oh, we're just shivering me timbers. Hey, thank you very much, Longy. I appreciate it. Thank you for the hearts. Trusty, you know, we're just freezing, curled up in a blanket, watching our accounts lose money today. Never a good feeling. Trying to recover some of the losses here manually as we can go along, but it's not presenting very nice setups right now for me, so we're just kind of sitting on our hands, trying to keep them warm, waiting for it to give us an opportunity here. And that's why gridlock, you need to watch it, because it was green 400 some dollars. That's what people don't understand about the premium algorithms. You were green 400, you should have taken profit. I'm surprised visual long didn't take this long, but let's see if it runs back up here. Run it all the way up to 750. That'd be fun, wouldn't it? It'd be fun for me if it just ran all the way up to 750 right now. See a big push here. That'd be nice. Come on. Big push. Buy it all back up. Just run it up. Run it to the moon. Go all the way up to 21,750. I had a quick question. Is there any way I can also trade my brother's accounts with mine? I can't give you that answer legally. Legally, I'm not allowed to answer that question. I'm sorry. But if you can interpret why I can say that, then you might get your answer. Yeah, I understand what you're asking, and I hope you understand how I'm answering the question. I cannot legally answer that question. All right, we're getting a nice little push up here. I am in a long from 21,705 on my manual. We're going to try and make back at least 100 or 200 of this. So yeah, we'll see what happens. If it can push up. I don't want to trail it too close. I want to give it room to breathe. But I am in a long manually. Show you. So this is my manual long that I'm in. I am on micros, but this is showing a mini. There's only one account that's on minis, so don't get too excited for me, but hey, every little bit helps. This is a live manual trade that I am in, So we're hoping for it to shoot to the moon here, all the way up to 21,750. Will it get there? I don't know. Maybe. But we're trailing it automatically with my ATM. Hopefully it just goes up and it doesn't give a pullback here. We need every little penny we can get. Need every little penny we can get here. Just keep pushing up. We got to zoom in, move it down. Maybe that'll help. I do like to trail it pretty tight, though, to capture as much profit as possible, because I am down. So there you go. And then we got stop loss. All right. Not a big deal. We did win back about $200 on the mini. So that was a good trade. That was a good trade. So we're going to be happy with that one. We're going to sit back for a minute. Not going to take any more for a while. Going to take a 5-minute break at least and see what happens. Also, do you guys have any referral program or something like that? Yeah, so if you refer like 3 people to BoldBot and they sign up, you get a free month. I think that's what it's like. You would have to ask Lauren exactly, but I'm pretty sure it's for every 3 people you send that sign up, you get 1 free month. So hit 400 on the double bottom action. You got 400 on that trade, Brian? Good job, man. I got almost close to that. You guys saw my live trade right there. It was like 250 on one mini. So that helps a lot of the accounts. Still down about 160 on most of them and like 600 on one of them, but that's a big 150K account. So is that reoccurring as long as the other 3 people keep enrolling every month? That I'm not sure. You would have to ask Lauren about that. I honestly don't know, Trusty, on that specifics on that referral program. All right, so we're back to only being down 490 on take profit, locked out of the top step. Only down 175 on my Apex, down 180.90 on Tradeify, and down a bunch on cash, which sucks, but it is what it is. I'm not going to risk any more for the day. Lock myself out, so. Just one of those weird days, man. Big pullbacks and then big candles to buy it all right back up. Like, it literally had, what? 1, 2, 3 15-minute candles in the red, and then this one 15-minute candle that it's in right now bought all of it back up. So crazy action today. Be careful. Be safe. Be humble. Trust in the process. We're going to change this back so we don't risk more than like 400 a day. Uh, when I manually trade, I use a lot of different time frames. So I look at the 15 minute, I look at the 5 minute, I look at the 1 minute, and then I place my trade inside of a 500 tick. So I have literally 4 different charts that I look at, and lots of different indicators on lots of different charts that kind of try and confirm what I'm seeing. And then I also use the algorithm sometime, like when they get into a trade, if it lines up with all my other levels of what I'm looking at, if it gets in a trade, I'll get in pretty close to that same trade. So I use them as indicators as well. But I like the 500 tick to manually place my entry points. I just feel like a more visual on what price action's doing live at that time. So yeah, we'll see if this might be a big M pattern kind of forming on the 15-minute chart. If anybody else is seeing this, if it doesn't get up above 21,730-ish, this could be a M pattern or a double top, and then it could move back down. If anybody else is seeing what I'm seeing, please confirm. Copy. Over. Roger. It would have to, yeah, maybe go a little sideways, but it could just also be a double top if it doesn't get above this 735-ish. Could be a big M for money if you can catch it. Thank you guys for tuning in today, though, and hanging out with me. I would say it's been a blast, but it's just been a blast of cold air and chilliness and losing trades. But we worked our way back to only being down 180 across most of them. So it's not too bad. Did get locked out of cash and Top Step. So shit happens. Some days are better than others. I could unlock my cash account, but not going to do that. Going to stick with my risk management and just keep trying for my $100 a day. Some days you lose, though, you know. When the algorithms take a loss and then you try and manually trade it back and, you know, you pick a couple of bad trades or have a couple of bad trades, doesn't take long to lock it out. So stick with your goals, though, folks. Stick with your limits. Stick with your plan. Trust your process. Most of the time, as long as you've learned what you're doing, you're going to be right. And as long as you win more than 50% of your trades and they're profitable, you're winning more than you're losing, right? You got locked out on Top Step on gold, but ended up 250 plus for the day with NQ. There you go. At least you're ahead on the day. I hit my max. It's a 50K like eval or combine, so I'm not too worried about it. It's frustrating. You know what I mean? It's like I just got it. You know, I wanted to pass it right away, but now I'm locked out and I got to wait for tomorrow. But, you know, as long as I trust my process and go slow and steady on that one, since it's a combine, I am going to try and size up a little more. But, it's a combine, so it's not like it's a funded account where I could have got money out of it, right? So I'm not too mad about that one. I am kind of mad about my take profit. I'm down like 450 on that one for the day, which it is a live pro account, so that kind of sucks, but it's better than blowing it. So, right? Yeah, yesterday you should have been great on if you can trade CPI report and you went long. You're funded on Top Step. Very nice. I like those guys over there. I like watching their show. I like watching Rips play poker and watch him. Took 4,530 seconds for it to run 100K. Yeah, it was quite a move. I'm full-time stay-at-home funded. Very nice, Brian. Well, thank you for tuning in and being here and giving us a chance and giving me a chance to show you what the algorithms can do. Yeah, see, I don't even know what that means right there. I'm new to Top Step. I just joined them the other day. I only have one account because I don't understand all of their different accounts and like Combine, XRP, funded, live. I'm assuming that that's the steps, right? You move from one account to another or something, but if somebody could fill me in real quick before the end of the stream, means he trades two at a time. Oh, okay. I got you. It makes sense. Yeah, I copy trade mine as well, but that's all right. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll try and get some of this loss back. And yeah, I got you. So he's copy trading basically. I use a copy trader. I use Replicanto. I love it. It's really easy. They're on top of their game. They update with better updates like every month. It seems like they put out a new update. Um, that's what I use to copy trade. You can switch and cross over to micros inside of it and put different contract amounts for each account. I love it. It's a great tool. Um, but yeah, so to wrap up the show, I am down today. Um, Cash account got locked out. Max loss for the day that I allow myself. Not going to tell you how much. Tradeify down 190 on one, down 600 on another. But they are 150K funded, straight to funded accounts, so they have the room for that loss. My Apex PAs, I'm down 167 on those, locked out of my Top Step, and down 450 on Take Profit. So that's a red day. Not, not going to cry about it, not going to revenge trade it. We're just going to stick with the process. Hopefully tomorrow will be better, but you don't copy, so you trade one account at a time, or you just have one live account. They were talking about that today, like how much you have in a live account, and like you have to pay monthly for the data, but it's better, I guess, because there's a risk management team. And yeah, I'm interested to see what all Top Step has to offer, and the coaching and the risk management team and all that stuff to help me out. So you can always learn more. That's the good thing, right? You can always learn from other people and see their views on how they trade. And you just got to find what works best for you and what you can see when watching the market, and just kind of go from there. But I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out with me today. I will be back tomorrow, but for now, I'm going to call the stream good for today. Not a good trading day, but not the end of the world. We're still live on everything. Didn't lose too much on some, lost a little more than I wanted on others, but it's all right. We can come back tomorrow and get it back together. But for now, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you tomorrow. Make sure you be humble, be kind, be loving to one another. Tell your loved ones that you love them. Call an old friend that you haven't talked to in a while.